At Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference, the tech giant unveiled its new approach to generative AI called Apple Intelligence. Rather than competing head-on with its rivals in the AI arms race, Apple chose a unique path focused on privacy, security, and seamless integration. This strategy isn't just an upgrade, it's a game-changer that reinforces Apple's commitment to user privacy as the foundation of its ecosystem. While other companies battle for dominance with flashy models, Apple is quietly constructing a secure fortress. The message was clear: Apple's AI future thrives on your device, not in a distant cloud. This creates a deeply integrated, intuitive experience without sacrificing privacy. Apple Intelligence offers practical enhancements across its suite of apps, enhancing day-to-day user interactions. Imagine real-time translation of conversations or generating personalized emojis just by typing. Core apps like Reminders and Notes now come with impressive features, intelligently streamlining your tasks and notes. Even the Apple Watch gets its due attention with Workout Buddy, a virtual fitness coach that processes your health data on device, ensuring your privacy while motivating you through your workouts. These innovative features provide tangible benefits and make the Apple ecosystem feel more connected. At the heart of Apple Intelligence lies an impressive hybrid architecture. Most tasks are processed on device using a highly optimized AI model, which ensures your sensitive data remains private. For complex tasks, Apple introduced private cloud compute, allowing greater computational power while maintaining stringent privacy measures. In a strategic move, Apple also announced its partnership with OpenAI's ChatGPT. This integration allows Siri to access a powerful model for complex queries, enabling Apple to enhance its virtual assistant capabilities without internal lag. User privacy continues to be a priority, with measures to obscure IP addresses and prompt user consent for sharing any data. This approach has sparked a lively debate. Supporters commend Apple's thoughtful, privacy-centric strategy, viewing it as a robust competitive advantage in a data-driven landscape. Critics, however, suggest that Apple's focus on privacy may lead to an innovation gap compared to its rivals. As Apple embarks on this journey, it must demonstrate that its intelligent, privacy-first approach offers a smart experience that rivals the more powerful AI options available. Will this calculated risk pay off, securing Apple's legacy in a world it helped shape? Only time will tell. Now that you're in the loop, stay tuned for more exciting updates from Apple. Check out AI Nexus Daily for the full article and don't forget to like and subscribe.